Everyone is doing vibe coding with the help of AI tools like Windsurf, Cursor, and VS Code editors. But the biggest problem comes when the limit suddenly runs out and your project stops in the middle. But what if I tell you there is a free and open source AI IDE where you get unlimited vibe coding along with powerful AI models like DeepSeek, Minimax, and Qwen for free? In today's video, I am going to show you that exact IDE. Along with the setup process, we will also build real life projects including a website. Before moving forward, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and also leave the like the video. Now without wasting any time, let's start. First, let's look at the installation process of the tool we are talking about. To install it, simply open your browser and search for OpenCode.ai. Maybe you have already used this tool, IDE or CLI, at least once before, because this agent gives us access to many AI models for free. But recently, it received a major updates that many new and premium AI models have been added to this IDE. Let's directly see the installation process. And after that, we will learn how to use it. And yes, I had already made a dedicated video on it before, but at that time, OpenCode was not this much powerful. Now it has become much more powerful and UI has improved and many strong AI models are available for free. The installation process is very simple, very easy. You can even install the CLI version, meaning you can use it from your terminal. Simply open your CMD or PowerShell. After opening your CMD, copy this command and run it. Here, make sure Node.js install on your system. Otherwise, it will not install because OpenCode is an NPM package. After running this command, the open code will be installed successfully. I have already installed it. So now let's relaunch and we will use this command open code to run the CLI of open code. So as you can see now the CLI of open code, the CLI can be a little bit difficult for beginners because mostly keyboard shortcuts are used and the mouse does not work here. Some shortcuts are also available, for example, pressing tab switch between agent and plan mode. It means you can change between build and plan mode. And pressing Ctrl plus P opens the command menu where we can create a new session, switch models, and connect providers. Connecting providers mean if you have your own API key, you can use API from providers like OpenRouter, NVIDIA, or any other cloud here. There are also some session features available here. For example, if we want to switch models, we can click here and see some free AI models that we can use free of cost. So this was all about the CLI of OpenCode. Now let's use the GUI tool and how to use it. After coming to the OpenCode.ai website, you will see the download button at the start. Press this download button. Here you can download it based on your operating system. So just come here. This is the terminal and this is the desktop app for Mac and Windows and Linux for all these operating system. And also you can use the extension in VS Code, Cursor, Z, Windsurf and VS Codium. So we will download the GUI tool. So come here to the Windows. I am using Windows. Press download. So it will download the OpenCode app right now. So let's wait until it completes. The OpenCode desktop installer downloaded. So let's click it to install on our PC. So this is the user interface. Let's come here to the setting and we will just change to dark mode. Color scheme system, make it dark. So this is the OpenCode desktop up. Now let's open a project. Simply let's press this and we will open a project. AI test. Okay, this select folder. So we have opened that folder. Now here we have different features. I will explain one by one. So on left side here we have, this is our project. You can see the path to our project and here we can chat with this AI, and come down here you can select to the composer, you can select build and plan mode. Okay, we have two mode, plan and build mode, and here you can select your model. Press this and there are different models that you can select one of them. Like this is a free one, and you will see lots of like this one, Nemotron. This is also free, and Qwen 3.6 plus. This is also free. And git create git repository. You can create repository, and up you can just here open this open code desktop app inside VS Code or these tools, and by pressing this you can manage the server. By pressing this you can toggle the terminal, and let's close it back, and by pressing this you can just disappear that, click that back the chat section, and here you can just see the latest changes, okay, whatever happens, so you will see that here. So that's it all about this. Let's press this. Also here you will see the files, okay, the files you have created, here the files, and here the changes you will see. This is all about the user interface, and you can move to the settings like these, providers, models, whatever you want, so you can set up that. But we will now select and use the free models, as it is providing us the best free models. As you can see, DeepSeek version 4 flash free, and come down and you will see, look at Nemotron 3 super free, and you will see Qwen 3.6 plus free, which is a super and very popular model nowadays. These are open routers, so we will just select one of those free models. So let's now build a single page application. You will see I have already created PRD, product requirement document, by ChatGPT. You can see I will copy this whole RPD. Simply let's copy this. This is a complete prompt which will build our application. So let's copy this all sections, copy this prompt, and just come here back to the OpenCode website and paste it here. After pasting it, now let's select our model. So here I will select DeepSeek version 4 flash free model. After selecting this, now let's press this button to start. So we were in build mode, okay, so it will automatically build this for us. If you were in plan mode, so then you can first of all it will generate a plan for you, then you can go with build mode to generate your website or code. So now it is just exploring, and it is look at the to-dos completed. Like first of all, it will do these tasks one by one. We will wait until it completes all the sections for us. So it has completed the task and generated these files: index, style.css, script.js, images, fonts, and videos. So let's now open it. You can see in the path. So just simply, so this is that folder. Let's open it. Let's run index.html. So look at, as you can see, white X. So as you can see, fully animated website. Just come here down and we will see other sections also. Look at featured and edit. You can see the cursor here. You can add images, so it will look better than now. The animation and everything is smooth and very beautiful. As you can see, scales and tools. This is something amazing. If you are developing and writing code for this, so it will take months from you, but using AI you can make this just in a few minutes. So this was the result. As you can see, work. Yeah, you can go back to the top, timeline, and contact. These are the sections. So this is the contact section. It doesn't looks very well, but just you can ask from AI to add white border or green border to these areas. So it was a very beautiful landing page, which we have created using DeepSeek version 4 Flash model with the open code. So you can just enhance it and add more features to these. And the open code was really amazing. By the way, I forgot to mention, this is not a sponsored video. Yes, I just made it by my own self. And for today, this was enough. I hope you watched this video till the end. If you did, don't forget to press the like button and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials like this. I really need your support right now. See you in the next tutorial. Thanks for watching.